Hey guys, so what is Faceapp? So basically it's AI face editor. So it's using artificial intelligence technology to change your face, add smiles. For example, you can get younger or older, you can swap your gender on photo, and you can improve your selfie with cool style filters. I tried it and it also went viral on my work. Like everyone started to put these images with Faceapp. So basically here it is. Basically you can access your photos from Photos app on iPhone, or you can connect Facebook or other apps, and then just basically, for example, add smiles. There are some pro filters and there are other filters. Then you can add some age. You can add some other young filters. You can add a beard, a hipster beard, for example. You can add a hair color. You can make your hair more black. You can add glasses. And then, of course, you can add all other things here. There are some other filters, just classic Instagram filters. Also, you can add other filters, for example, like in Instagram. Also, you can add blur to your selfies. You can add a background, which you can create some custom background, or you can just take some photos from the web. Then you can adjust contrast here. Also, you can add tattoo to your face. And you can also do some other adjustments. Obviously, you can add contrast, saturation, temperature, sharpen tools, and all other stuff. You can also add some like filters like this, and you can crop your image. Yeah. So for example, after you added this filter, you can just share it to your gallery. Just click here and save image. So after that it was saved, but of course with the free version you will have Faceapp watermark. From here you can also share on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter. You can also click here and then you can also save image, save to files, create watch face, and share in other apps you use like Slack, all other apps. In Faceapp you can also go to celebrities and then select some well-known celebrity picture from the web and play with it as well. So if you want to create some kind of meme how Justin Bieber will look like when he's old, this is kind of the image. And yeah, and then you can use it for some kind of memes. Also, what I really recommend is just going to Fun tab, and here you have some preset filters. For example, Jan HD, or you can change hair colors, or you can select some cool style. And then you can share it on Facebook or just download this kind of image. But obviously, of course, if you want to get it without watermark, you will need to upgrade to Pro version. So that's kind of it. Also, you can try different layouts. So for example, here, and then you can select something like this, something like this, and then you can just apply. Okay. And then you can save it, or you can select different kind of layout, or you can select lens. So this is super cool way to play with your friends or to change your avatars in Facebook or Instagram, or just like post some cool photos. So try this app and have fun.